In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install app from Google AI Studio. We'll walk through the full process of opening your app inside Google AI Studio and installing it onto an Android device using a USB connection. This is a straightforward setup, but a few permissions on your phone need to be enabled first, so I'll point those out as we go. To begin, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Once the search results appear, click on the official Google AI Studio page to open the platform. After you're inside Google AI Studio, look for the My Apps section and click it. This is where you'll find the apps associated with your account. From there, select the app you want to install so it opens in its app view. Once the app is open, find the Install button and click it. You'll then choose Install via USB. Before the installation can continue, your Android device needs to be prepared for USB installation. On your phone, open Settings and go to About Phone. Find the build number entry and tap it 7 times to enable developer mode. This unlocks additional settings needed for app installation and debugging. Next, go back into Settings, open System, then Developer Options, and turn on USB debugging. This allows your computer to communicate properly with your Android device during the install process. Now connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. After the device is plugged in and ready, return to Google AI Studio and continue with the install option shown there. You should now see a list of available Android devices. Choose your device and click Connect. At this point, a permission pop-up will appear on your Android phone. Simply authorize the connection to allow the computer to access the device for installation. Once that approval is complete, the app installation can proceed. If your device doesn't appear right away, make sure the USB cable is connected properly and that USB debugging is still enabled.